Alright, so this is what happens when you use your Bayer Advanced on your Asiatic lilies. All my flowers fell off, and that's my fault. I'm very new to gardening, as you can see. These are my first lilies that I got, and they were getting eaten by some bugs, so I used that Bayer stuff that I showed you earlier, and a week later all my flowers fell off. So I guess that's really just made for lawn and turf, or I guess I used it on my other plants and they were all fine. It was only my lilies that pretty much all fell apart, but my other plants that were green seemed to be fine with my with the Bayer chemical. But I just wanted to show you what happened to my my Asiatic lilies. That's all. So don't use it on your Asiatic lilies or your flowers. Only on your greens or your lawn or whatever else it says on there. Thank you.